everybody. On your way in, just grab a pen and paper. Welcome everybody to today's course on just a beginner's introduction to photography, light and getting to know your camera. You've all obviously recently purchased a new digital camera, and as a result of that purchase you had one free complimentary photography lesson, and you chose to take today's course, which is good. The session will run for about 45 minutes. We'll have plenty of group discussion, plenty of breaks. It won't be too full on with information. We'll try to keep it fun and quick. Before we do start though, there is a couple of little housekeeping rules, just some health and safety minor things I have to get out of the way. First of all, up at the back of the room there's the emergency exits, all the emergency contacts, the emergency procedures as well. But just so I quickly go over them, we've got an emergency exit to my left there, one right behind all of you guys there. All the restrooms actually out the door located down the corridor to the right. If you do need to use them, please just put up your hand or just quietly go off and use them, that's fine. Yeah, and if you do need, registered first aid attendant, so if you do need first aid at all, just, yeah, please let me know and we can sort out if there's any emergencies. And if you've got any questions about that, please let me know. With that out of the way, as I said, we'll just like to introduce what the course is about today. Basically, yeah, it'll just have some basic lessons on photography, a bit of photographical knowledge, how to use your camera. It's not about what images you should be taking or what settings to use, it's more guidelines to help you capture the images that you want to catch. The other thing that I wanted to say is we'll just quickly do an introduction, so get to know all the rest of the group. My name's Pepping. I've been doing photography for 5 or so years. I've taught these classes for 2 years. The type of photography I like to take is sport or water photography. So we'll now go around the room as well. We've got a small group, so it should just 10-15 seconds, a little bit about yourself. We'll start with the right hand side, and I'll just put it up on the board as well when you have answered what photography, to see the different types of photography people are into. So we've got landscape, and we'll just go right to left.
Portrait.
Portrait.
Winning.
Winning. Paparazzi, probably spelled that wrong, but that's we know what we're saying. Pretty good landscape. Which is good, something different. And fashion. So you can see we've got a wide variety. Hopefully I can remember your names and we can all remember each other's names. If I do get your name wrong, I apologise. Alrighty, so before we get into the learning, we do also have to just set some ground rules for today. The first one is obviously respect everybody else's opinion in the group. There will be some discussions. Also, because we're dealing with camera and equipment, it is quite expensive, so don't touch or play with anybody else's equipment without asking for permission first. The next one is there's no swearing, no criticising others. Let's just make sure it's a supportive, friendly environment. And we'll start getting into the learning. Alrighty, so photography is an art. Today we'll just be going through the guidelines. There's no set rules of what you have the settings for your camera, what you have to take photos of. On that, I did just want to do a quick group discussion, group activity where I'll split the group into 2 groups. So the right hand side, please go over there. Left hand side, if you can just make a group of 4 over there. So we'll have 2 groups of 4. Each group has 5 photos. each group has the same photos, but what I want you guys to do is just rank them from the best to the worst. So you'll have 4 minutes to rank from the best to the worst, and then nominate one member from the group to come out and just say why you've chosen that photo as your favourite photo. And also, yeah, then we'll get the other group to do and we'll compare the results and see which photos are best. So yeah, I'll give out these photos. And your 4 minutes starts now.